The magical Wizard of Oz.
But we was talking about
Oh, hi. Yes. I wasn't sure who I was going to be calling. I'm good. How are you?
So there comes a time when you start to question your sanity. You know, you just might be a little bit bee crazy when you find yourself 30 feet up in a tree, tied off to a bunch of ropes, trying to catch a swarm way out on a limb. I think that this is quite likely the trickiest swarm I've ever tried to get. Have to improvise a little bit, build some tools. But I don't know if I can get this underneath them. Oh, it seems to be working. I really hope that the queen's in here and not in that little ball that got left over behind there. Well, second time up into the cedar tree. Well, no, third time up into the cedar tree. I'm gonna try and get the rest of these bees. So I was just up here, and it's a very awkward spot. And I shook the bees into a bucket, but only maybe half or 2/3 of them ended up in my bucket. So I'm gonna try and go up and see if I can get the rest of them. Alright, I was about to start cutting the branch that these guys are clustering on, and right as I was about to start, I dropped my saw. So I have to go all the way back down. This is what you call being at the end of your rope. So I'm kind of thinking we got the queen because these guys are acting quite grumpy and flying around. And the trick is to grab this branch right before it breaks. Otherwise the bees will just fall on the ground, and that will be the end of this experiment. Oh. Yes, that was a fail. Still way up in a cedar tree. Now, I am holding on to a branch. And there's a small swarm of bees coalescing on it as we speak. I'm kind of hoping most of the bees flying around will end up on here. I can just drop them in my bucket and off we go. Wouldn't that be cool? So this is the queen right there. A queen in a swarm is usually a bit smaller and slimmer. They stop feeding her a few days before they go on a swarm. And it would be pretty cool to see her go into the hive. You can see her crawling around right there. Come on, little queen bee, go into the hive. I don't want you to fly off. There she goes into the hive.